lining up yet.
All right, while we're here, let's look at the whole lineup. Everyone was asking how many cars that we have or how many are here that are projects and whatnot. So there's the 295 soft dash, short wheelbase, long wheelbase, the 97 Disco, the 88 short wheelbase, and my 89 short wheelbase is over there. The other ones are around the other side, but I think you've seen those before. So that's the conclusion for what we have going on over here. While we're here, we'll have some upcoming videos. I don't know the year. I'm assuming it's a Series 3 military edition. It's a petrol truck. It's left-hand drive, manual shift. This is a buddy of mine's series, and it's actually a locally owned Virginia truck. It's changed hand a couple times. Again, I don't know the full backstory on it. This will be a video that we'll have to make in the next few weeks when the owner is available. It's in here to get the rear diff replaced. Having some grinding issues, but it's a nice little truck that will hopefully be out and about here in Richmond shortly. So again, I wish I knew more about it. Owner's not here to run me through the details, but it's a pretty rad looking truck. This one just came in for service, another 95 soft dash. It's been sitting for a little bit. Gonna need some upgrades and some maintenance. Good looking truck, 180 some thousand miles. Big old lift on it, probably 2 or 3 inches. Solid off-road bumpers. Just the way you like it, honestly. And then again, my 5-speed hasn't moved in a while. It's gonna need a head gasket. That one is a project for next year, so we'll see what comes of that. Obviously, this stuff's not free, so that's gonna cost money. I don't think I'm gonna do that myself, so I'll probably have to pay Mike to do that one. All right, going back to the rest of the walkarounds here, we still have the 94 ZJ Cherokee, just waiting on a horn so it'll pass inspection, but this will be probably for sale soon. We've driven it around a little bit. Again, it's not a Rover, so we probably can't keep it too much longer, but it's a clean truck. It's a great color. It's not rusty or anything. But again, it's gotta go to fund some more of the projects. Little FJ40 in for maintenance and whatnot. Pretty neat little truck. Again, there's a lot of SUVs and trucks that have rolled in here recently. I don't really know the full story, but this is actually belongs to the guy that we bought the 3 original Rover Rescue Classics from, which is pretty interesting. He recently purchased it, so it's probably in for a post-purchase inspection, but great color. Obviously, not too rusty. Okay paint job. Neat roof rack. Here is an LX 450 that I found for a friend of mine. He's going full ARB, front and rear bumpers. He was going to put the supercharger on the straight 6, but I don't know. 200 some thousand miles might not be the best idea for longevity of that drivetrain. The Rover, the rescue trucks we saw before. Here's a Montero. Funny story with this. This is parked off Chippenham here in Richmond for the past 2 or 3 years. I've driven by it every day. Finally knocked on the guy's door, asked him about it, and it wasn't running, and he felt really bad about it, and he brought it up here to get running. I offered to buy it, but he said he wanted to keep it, so he put new tires on it, gave it a full tune-up, pretty much everything, and he's brought it back in for phase 2 to continue to maintain it because he's been driving it. So sometimes it just takes a little bit of a push to get someone motivated to fix their truck. Unfortunately, it's an automatic, but it's a neat little original truck. He's had it for probably 20 or so years, so he's pretty fond of it. Very period correct as far as everything that's on it. But I think that's the truck update for now. There's a Wagoneer inside. We can check that out later, but that's what we got going on tonight.